Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear Yandex search history on PC. To clear your Yandex search history on PC, first open your Yandex web browser on your PC. Then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you can see a small file and key icon on top right corner. Click on the icon. Then it will directly take you to Yandex ID section. Now here you can see history option on the top. Click on history option. Then here you can see clear history option on the down of the box. Click on clear history option. Now here you can select the time period till which you want to clear your history by clicking on the given box. Then select the time period. Then here you can select what kind of history that you want to delete. Like you can delete your specific views, downloads, autofill from datas, cookies and other services provided by the web browser. If you want to delete that kind of specific data, then you can click on the small box and then it will turn the box into yellow, which means that data will be deleted. For example, here I don't want to delete my downloads history, so click on the downloads option and then it will deselect the download history. Like here I want to delete my cookies and other sites datas and plugins. Then you need to click on the given box stating cookies and other sites and plugins. After selecting what kind of search history you want to delete, you can click on clear option. With this, it will help you to delete your search history on Yandex. This is how we can clear Yandex search history on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.